face, I'll change yourself. Everything I want is passing by into a wild.
Yo, what's up, everybody? My name is Klark with a K. This is Klark Sound. We're from Atlanta. Thanks for having us. This track's called Shadow Patterns. Habit dilutes what's in the room, so look out for today. With every breath you take could be the last one. No matter what they say, you must take up the helm at once to move your sorrow. A heart of mine said a friend will get you by. That depends how sharp the knife means to an end when we all must die. At once you live, at once it's rain on the window, calling names of those who came before me. Free from their skin, straight dead to others' power. In grief they're living on. Their image burns like sirens on the water. This weighted world drowned my tears in a life absurd. All the effigies to material goals means to an end when we all must die. At once you live, at once it's You don't have time to be like this no more. I'm left to guess another rhyme, so I go alone with this uncharted mind. But never resting why, it's the older that I get, makes it harder to submit so playfully. Never mind what this amounts to after a while. Better yet, I'll lose some sight and take off the edge my constructs redefine. I forget to try to sew the space inside my head with the radial respect. Watch it grow. All day long, you got a face, so you gonna break the day all by yourself. Forget it while you got some faith, 'cause everybody's bound to die. I must embrace the wild. You won't make it if you face or change yourself. Everything I want is passing by into a wild. I paid my rent that I despise. Cash for the month, the years pass quickly by. But no regrets, I live to die and build some momentum towards a peaceful life. If we all could try to sew the space inside our heads with the radial respect, we're gonna meet the future halfway from ourselves, the better part, and everyone is just hiding in their shells. All day long, you got a face, you gonna break the day all by yourself. Get it while you got some faith. All day long, you got a face, you better check yourself. Nobody else is gonna say it to your face, 'cause everybody's bound to die. I must embrace the wild. You will make it if you face or change yourself. Everything I want is passing by into a wild. This next song is called Movie Theater. Every day, I'll admit there's a bit imposed in joking. In the end, it's all for fun. Stay foolish, took a bit, you assume to die before you make it. But you get higher for what? Best be gone, better be patient. All in it started working out. Better be careful, just to feed the lie. You complete this song. Better be patient. All in it started working out. Better be careful. You want for money, then you pay the price. No fun, every objectification of your time is a vain cause made up to compare. But what to compare to? Are you living just to be afraid? Still you get higher for what? Oh no! Better be patient. All in it started working out. Better be all in, it started working out. Better be careful, just to beat the lie, you complete this song. Better be patient, all in, it started working out. Better be careful, you won't. For money, then you pay the price. You won't. For money, then you pay the price. One could say caught again, for the persistence of memory comes melting down. I've seen this image before, a complimentary feeling in our Cambrian experience from outward in. The biggest trip you'll live, choose wide-eyed fortitude, chasing every mood. Take 2 steps towards what is new. It's been a while since I drove around for no reason, and the time I got left just can't be certain. That's all. In loneliness I'm truthing, for the closest humans ever melt is through the eyes. These islands in the sun breathe moments in the blue wind. In the passing currents of my heart, a maelstrom bends the clarity of sin. Choose wide-eyed fortitude, chasing every mood. Take 2 steps towards what is new. It's been a while since I drove around for no reason, and the keys that stare longing from the table seem alright. I said enough with the plotting. Truth is nobody knows what you're gonna become. I needed to sleep through the month of August, but I be doing the most. Better watch what I want. Living in surprise, tell me not to try. Already know it's all too serious. Lost inside a world of thinking. Let it out. Okay, I still got some time in my life to pursue me. New conversations, fresh invitations, replay all that I lost. Okay, I still got some time in my life to undo me. If I was patient, totally present, and see with the stereotype. There it is. A little disappointment will come. I said enough with the plotting. Truth is nobody knows. Truth nobody knows. Defeated in what I thought I wanted. Now I'm becoming a ghost. Better watch what I want. Living in surprise. Tell me not to try. Already know we gonna make up the distance. We gonna make up the distance. I love to be alive. Begin again. I'll never get it right. Been decided. We're always gonna die. I'm sad again. You'll never change your mind. Been decided. You love to be alive. Listen to me. Let go of me tonight. track's called Bad Luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bad luck coming to me in another wave now. Could it be incompletion in denial? I look for fun. Even heaven couldn't cure the space now. Could it be life on earth is blue? 'Cause I told you, get lost to be found. Now we could get along and be honest. Fine, so what? To the differences in how we're raised up. How uncertain you even lived at all. And found me half awake to take a patient ride, please. From the future you'll view me kinder and honest. I'm poised to be alone. Darling, what you need is at the tip of your fingers. Cutting the beast through so selfish. Two fools, a window out of time. All masterpieces die. You all know this. Pure ego, ready, set, define. What you want, anything else, it won't do. Last call, anything you need before we break up. Almost certainly you would say one in a little gone. You don't need refreshments of my kind. 'Cause I told you I'm poised to be alone. Darling, what you need is at the tip of your fingers. Cutting the beast loose, so selfish. Two fools, a window out of time. All masterpieces die. You all know this. Your ego, ready, set, define. What you want, your focus. No ego, ready, set, define. When to grow up, anything else. Bad luck coming to me in another way now. Bad luck coming to me in another way now. Could it be life on earth is Pardon? Cool. Like everybody? What's up? So, if you've been watching, you know that the name of the band is Klark Sound, spelled Klarksound. But who else are these wonderful people on stage with me? To my left, we've got Alex Wilson on the flute. We've got Anthony Dowd, Sauce God. We've got Jordan Holloman on drums, chefs. We've got Daniel Hyman on the bass, it's the bass, and Jordan Bernader on keyboard type instruments. And singing, of course. My name's Clark. This is our last track. It's called Comic Book. I'm going to switch my guitar again. Thanks, Michael Clark at LTV for having us. It's been super fun. I grew up out here, and it's always great to be back. Well, it's a wonder when you can't find any holes to yourself. It's morning again, time to get up. But a bit too late, the fire's caught upon all the false beliefs that you're holding on to. And now you're breathing the dead air. Tell the truth. Every spark you see is a part of you. Answering my questions, what will tomorrow bring? Unfolding through the lens of time. Origami bending light. Everyone's fooled in nature's eyes. Color the world however you like it. Weapon of destruction. Don't you go infecting yourself with such emotions you can't control. It's all outside you. What you gonna do now? So just make believe you're on camera or the stippled pages of a comic book. Tell the story, play the game. It's all up to you now. Some truth. Every spark you see is a part of you. Answering my questions, what will tomorrow bring? Unfolding through the lens of time. Origami bending light. Everyone's fooled in nature's eyes. Color the world however you like it. However you like it. However you want. So if you wanna change, don't settle down for nothing at all. You've been dealing in hands of identical cards for too long. So if you wanna change, don't settle down for nothing at all. You've been dealing in hands. 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 You've been dealing in hands of identical cards for too long. Rock on, everybody.
You gotta pay, so you gonna break the day all by yourself. Forget it while you got some faith. Cause everybody's bound to die. I must embrace the wild. You won't make it if you face or change yourself. Everything I want is passing by into a wild.
Oh, shoot.
I paid my rent.
What, that's 28 minutes? The 28-minute improv dance?
Fast forward a month, the years pass quickly by. But no regrets, I live to die and build some momentum towards a peaceful life. If we all could try to sow the space inside our heads,
Sample library is just stacked.
surrender your respect, we're gonna meet the future halfway.
Thank you. Yeah, thanks, guys.
Oh, we should just stop and then.